Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ajit. Today we will discuss about the use case of Go command in SQL Server. So let's jump in our SQL Server platform. So you might be wondering, what does this Go means? We have used Go several times in our script and we don't realize what does this Go do in my SQL Server statement. So if I have a drop statement and create statement together, if I don't use the go, then this will not work. For example, if I execute a simple procedure and didn't mention the go here, then it will not execute. So if I use go while creating a procedure, copying and creating procedure, it will execute successfully. This is because the goal is a batch separator in SQL Server. The batch is nothing but one or more SQL statements sent to the engine as one set of statements. So naturally, the drop and create cannot work once at a time. We need to split that into batches. So the drop is my first batch and create is my second. So another thing to note is the go command does not work inside procedure. So if I use go here and create a procedure, it will not work. It will say invalid statement because the go statement is not executed inside stored procedure. Another thing to note is if I execute my stored procedure, this is the procedure which I created right now, go demo, and if I execute this and if I mention go and two times here, then this will execute my result two times. So whatever the number I give, the go statement executes the script in the number of times as mentioned in previous SQL line of code. So here my initial output was 2. When I use 2 here, it replicates my result into 2 times. So it replicates no matter how many number of times. For example, if I use here print hello and print this output, it will replicate my hello 2 times. So another use case of is using temp is if I declare my variable and use a select command here, this will not execute because it again the go splits my statement into two batches, and in second batch the underscore temp is not recognized. So in order to recognize underscore temp, we again need to create one variable over here. So once we do that, then we are able to execute this query. So the main takeaway is Go command does not work inside function, procedure, or views. The Go command executes script in the number of times as mentioned in previous SQL lines. For example, if we have a print here hello, and if we do a go for 2 times, it prints my result into 2. And the go statement refreshes whenever variable has been declared. For example, if my variable is declared and if I used go statement here, then if I don't mention the variable name again here, then this temp is not recognized because it splits my statement into two batches, and in second batch it does not realize what underscore temp means. So we need to we need to declare the variable and execute my result. Hope this makes sense and help you to understand Go command. Thank you. Keep watching my videos.